Toronto Dominion Bank, TD is the acronym. They in pre-market trading, they're the biggest bank in Canada, I believe, Pete, and they had some troubles. They're being examined for those troubles. Well, they're facing a $3 billion penalty. And you know what? We had put activity. That's right, folks, put activity, unusual put buys. And there you see it on your screen. As you know, Pete and I tend to buy the at the money puts or the at the money calls, depending which one. This was a clear bet that they were going to have a problem in the future, which they had, and the stock traded down to 58.5 this morning, Pete. So a nice win for our subscribers that were part of this one, Pete.
Yeah, absolutely. That part of it's great. What's not great for TD is the fact that they've got $3 billion in penalties that are coming their way, which is very, it could limit some of the growth and all of that. These are really serious charges that are being brought against them. They plead guilty with the CEO now stepping down in April of 2025. This is a lot of news to digest right now. That's why the stock is down. I'm actually a little surprised, John, it's only down what it is, about 4 or 5%, because given the backdrop of what you and I are just talking about the news of the day, I would have almost expected it to be even further down. Nonetheless, those puts were moving, and that's a good thing because we did have that unusual option activity that kind of gave us sniffed out something was going on there over at TD, and apparently this was it.
Yeah, well, that's why we follow unusual activity, folks, because we know that there are always people that know more about something about to go on. Sometimes they're insiders in the government, that they're making laws and passing bills that become laws after they're signed into law by the president. Other times, there are regulations that, again, are working through Congress and so forth. Sometimes also, people do bad things. They trade on insider information. We don't know that. We don't do that. But we follow what has occurred in the markets. Mm-hmm. That's why Pete and I have been following unusual activity for now 25 years. Since 1999, we've been doing it, folks. And it has found some massive wins for us. And I'd encourage all of you to check out marketrebellion.com/get started for more.